So, you've decided it's time to part ways with StashAway? Whether you've reached your financial goals, need immediate access to your funds, or simply want to explore other investment avenues, withdrawing your money can be a straightforward process. Let's break it down step by step. Understanding StashAway withdrawal types. Before we dive into the specifics, it's important to understand the different types of withdrawals you can make from StashAway. Full withdrawal. This involves withdrawing your entire investment balance from all your portfolios. Partial withdrawal. This allows you to withdraw a specific amount from one or more of your portfolios. How to initiate a withdrawal. Here's a simple guide on how to initiate a withdrawal. Log into your StashAway account. Use your credentials to access your account dashboard. Navigate to the withdrawal section. Look for the Withdraw or Withdraw Funds option. It's usually located in the main menu or within your portfolio settings. Select withdrawal type. Choose between a full or partial withdrawal based on your needs. Specify withdrawal amount. If you're opting for a partial withdrawal, input the desired amount. Confirm your request. Double-check the details and confirm your withdrawal request. Important considerations. While the process is generally straightforward, there are a few crucial points to keep in mind. Withdrawal timeframes. StashAway typically processes withdrawals within a few business days. However, the exact timeframe can vary depending on factors like market conditions and bank processing times. Tax implications. Be aware of any potential tax implications associated with your withdrawals, especially if you're withdrawing investment gains. Consult with a tax professional for personalized advice. Minimum withdrawal amounts. Some StashAway plans may have minimum withdrawal limits. Check your specific plan terms and conditions for details. Early withdrawal penalties. While StashAway doesn't impose traditional early withdrawal penalties, it's important to consider the potential impact on your investment returns if you withdraw before your planned investment horizon. Additional tips. Plan your withdrawals. To minimize potential tax implications and optimize your investment strategy, plan your withdrawals carefully. Consider your financial goals. Align your withdrawal decisions with your long-term financial objectives. Stay informed. Keep an eye on your StashAway account and any updates or changes to their withdrawal policies. Withdrawing your funds from StashAway is a relatively simple process. By following these steps and considering the important factors, you can ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.